Alright. Less than 1 week into the trip and we managed to crash the drone. Where are we off to today?
Noosa.
Alright, Eamon, so what just happened? Hey? Why are you working on the door?
Because you broke it last night.
I didn't.
You did.
You did.
You break things, I have to fix it.
Yeah,
yes.
right.
You break things, I have to fix it all the time.
And what is the quick fix that we've done?
Zip tie.
Zip tie. So we couldn't open the door from inside last night, and Eamon always has to pee in the middle of the night. So we had to get that fixed because he wasn't happy hopping out the back door. So yeah,
this is a quick fix.
hopefully that'll do. Pull it open and shut. Ready to test it out? Let's test it. Okay, let's pull it. Ta-da! Works. Good job. I'm proud of Eamon. And we made it into Noosa.
Beach time, the weather looks good. Yes, protection. Feels good. Nice. Fresh. Let's see some surf. Sophie just had a surf session. How is it?
Short surf session. The current is so strong and I'm not a pro. Time to flex by the beach.
No gym, no problems. You find something to work out. Yes. Woo.
Going, come on. 5, 5, 5, 5. Never ending 5. High five. All done.
The workout is done. Time for the dip.
Let's go.
The place is amazing here. Even though it's a bit cloudy now, it's still really good. The water temperature is insane. And we're loving it. I think we overstayed our parking time. Over 2 hours now already. So we'll see. Hopefully we're not gonna get anything.
So we made it to Noosa National Park, walked along the coastline a little bit. There's a few different walks that you can do here. We did the coastal one. We only made it as far as Dolphin Point and then flew the drone. And we spotted a turtle, which is pretty cool. And yeah, we're just on the way back now